comes in the kit. Wiring. Two mirrors. You'll need this wiring if your TRD doesn't have the LEDs on the mirror. Mine is a 220, so it has it. And for you to start working on it, you're gonna pop this upper cover off. Just pry it up and it will come off. Alright, check it out. You just hold by taps. Then you're gonna disconnect your I believe is defogger. And to take off the mirror, you're just gonna pull it out. Oh, something broke. Oh no, that's how it is, I think. This is my stock mirror and the new one. They both look the same. I think you have to swap over these hinges. Then you're gonna get these two wires, the pink and the white one. Pink is positive and white is negative, and you're gonna wire them together so the lights can work on the mirror. I'll show you right now. And this is how you do it. Then you just pull back the cover and you're done. See a lot better. This is how much more view I have with the new mirrors. A lot more. I can even see up to the third lane. Check it out. They're great. Good investment. I'll leave the link on my description so you guys can buy it if you guys want it. Check this out. You can barely see the light during the day.